What's going on, my blessed crypto enthusiasts? Well, you're watching Crypto Blessing, where you can find daily content on everything trending in this market, technical as well as technical analysis, where you can find daily content on all of the trending cryptocurrency news, market analysis, and more. Today, we are having a look at the cryptocurrency markets as a whole and Bitcoin specifically. The market cap is holding steady at just below $300 billion, and we seemingly have found strong support at 8,100, fluctuating small amounts over the past several days. And on Friday, Pantera Capital Management announced that the Pantera Bitcoin Fund had generated a return of 10,000% over the past 5 years. It also said that it expected the Bitcoin price to reach $67,000 by the end of 2019. Pantera was founded in 2013 by Dan Moorhead, who is the current co-chief investment officer and CEO. It has over $700 million in assets under management. That's across 2 venture funds and 4 cryptocurrency funds. Most of this article is very nostalgic to read, as it's a great time capsule for the wild ride that Bitcoin has already had. And it really plays on the whole dream that Bitcoin could skyrocket and be worth even 6 figures in the next 3 to 5 years. All of that's complete speculation, but it's always very entertaining when it happens. It has excerpts from discussions in 2013 before Bitcoin hit $200, and he was comparing it to buying gold in 1000 BC. 99% of the financial wealth has yet to address Bitcoin. When they do, Bitcoin is either going to be worth 0 or 5,000. Bitcoin is almost double that right now, and at one point was $20,000. He also goes on to say it's the first borderless payment system ever, and that it's like deciding on whether or not to buy Microsoft back in the day at 20 cents a share. It was hard to do when the stock was just at 10 cents. In the fullness of time, clearly a great trade. I believe Bitcoin right now is just like that. As we wait to see what ends up happening in the price of Bitcoin, be skeptical of anyone saying they do know the future, and they do know for certain that a bull run is coming. No one knows the future of any traded market, and all we can do is continue to monitor them. Do all of your own research and make informed investment decisions. Pantera says that if we look at a chart that plots Bitcoin's price since July of 2010 on a log scale, we would see that the Bitcoin price shows very consistent exponential growth. It also says that projecting the price through the end of 2019 using an historical trend line, which is shown here in gold, would lead us to expect Bitcoin at a price of 21,000 by the end of this year, which at this point seems quite possible, and 67,000 at the end of 2019. And that, in fact, these are current forecasts for Bitcoin. Of course, those are complete speculation, but they're not the only one that's giving a positive outlook on this space. What do you think will happen? Are we in a bull trap right now, and will we shortly see lower lows? Or is this market really about to pop off like so many experts are calling for? Comment below and let me know. Also, if you've made it this far, please hit that like button. It helps us get in more people's recommended videos and helps grow our audience and the blessed crypto family. Stick around because you don't want to FOMO out when this market does pop off, which at this point almost seems like an inevitability. And I'll see everyone tomorrow.